Ciao, I'm Chiara from Filo e Segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful summer jacket. In this video I will show you how to make a solid granny triangle, then how to join to create an original jacket. For this project I use Eco Denim from Mondial in these beautiful colors. You can find all the links and how much yarn you need in the description box, and the 4mm hook. Okay, now we're going to create the first triangle using a solid granny stitch. So first we do a magic ring, then chain 3, this counts as your first double crochet, then we do 2 double crochets into the ring. Chain 3, then we do another group of 3 double crochets into the ring. Chain 3 once again, then we do another group of 3 double crochets into the ring. Chain 3, pull the tail, then join with a slip stitch into the third chain. Okay, now chain 3. Remember, this counts as your first double crochet, then we do 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches. Now we are going to increase into the chain 3 space, into each of these chain 3 space of the previous row. And here we do 3 double crochets, chain 3, then 3 double crochets, all in the same space. This is the first increase, and now we do 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches. And now we do another increase into the chain 3 space of the previous row. So we do 3 double crochets, chain 3, then 3 double crochets. Now we do 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches. And now we do an increase into this last chain 3 space. So we do 3 double crochets, chain 3, then 3 double crochets. And of course join with the slip stitch into the third chain. All we have to do now is to do 1 double crochet in each double crochets of the previous row, then an increase in each of chain 3 space. So let's repeat this together one more time. First, chain 3, this counts as your first double crochet, then we do 1 double crochet into the next stitches until we reach the first chain 3 space. So now we are ready to increase, so we do 3 double crochets, chain 3, then 3 double crochets in the same chain 3 space of the previous row. And now we do 1 double crochet into the next stitches until we reach the second chain 3 space of the previous row. And now we're going to increase as we did before and continue to do this until the end of this round. And of course join with the slip stitch into the third chain. So now we're going to repeat these last rounds 2 rounds more until we will have a total of 5 rounds. Now, before joining the last round, we insert the light gray color to create a nice edge. So, cut the yarn, then wrap the new color around the hook. This is the nice edge with a simple single crochet round. Insert the new color in this way. Now do a simple knot, and now we are ready to create a nice edge. So first chain 1, then we do 1 single crochet in each stitches until we reach the first chain 3 space. And here we do 2 single crochets, chain 2, then 2 single crochets into the same space. And now we do 1 single crochet in each stitch until we reach the second chain 3 space. And here we do 2 single crochets, chain 2, then 2 single crochets, and continue to repeat this until the end of this round. And of course join with a slip stitch into the first single crochet. Okay, all we have to do now is to create another 47 triangles, because to create this jacket we need to have a total of 48 triangles. So first we are going to download the template to know how to join the solid triangles. You can find the link in the info box below. This template is black and white, so you can color each triangles as you prefer, as I did. But if you want to use the same colors of this tutorial, you can find another link in the info box below with a colored template. For this tutorial you will need to have 16 red with red color, 15 with green and 17 with light green. And before proceeding, I suggest ironing all triangles. Okay, now place the triangles following the template. I suggest to cut the template and fold it. In this way, it will be easier to understand how to play each triangle. So now we're ready to grab the light gray color and a tapestry needle. Then grab the first two triangles with wrong side facing you. Then sew the two sides together in this way. And of course, be patient and continue to see each triangle following the template. So now let me show you the finished jacket. This jacket is lightweight and it's just perfect for the warm month. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you create your Zelda jacket. I will leave all the links that you need in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notifications. So thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!